Today, we're trying something new. This is an LCD screen that will mount to the front panel of this crazy Cougar Conquer case. And after a couple of laser cuts, we're ready to water cool this thing. We'll start things off with the RTX 4080 GPU, but that'll be blocked later. For now, Anthony's going to set up this MSI X670E carbon motherboard with a 7950X from Ryzen. After the CPU is seated, we'll toss on a quantum velocity monoblock from EK. But this build gets even crazier. They went with 8TB of Sabrent storage and 128 gigs of Trident Z RAM. With the main board all set, it's now on to water cooling. We went with the black heat killer radiators and a biscuit distro plate. With the 4080 all blocked up, we can now get to bending and cutting too. Now, I'm curious, would you guys rock a gaming PC like this? If you want a complete gaming setup and PC, we got you covered. Just go here. Best of luck, you guys.